This is your Donaldsville Elementary announcements.
Good morning, Donaldsville. This is Mrs. Strader broadcasting live from Donaldsville Elementary. Today is Thursday, September the 13th, 2012. Welcome to our substitutes today, Mrs. Suver. And we have a couple birthdays to celebrate. And we have Chloe. Chloe, your birthday's today. Whose room are you in?
Mrs. Howard.
All right. And how old are you turning today?
7.
All right. Happy birthday, Chloe. Hey, and then we have Abram. Abram, your birthday was September the 2nd. Hey, Abram, how old were you on your birthday?
7.
7 years old. Okay, and who's your teacher?
Mrs. Chase.
All right, Abram, happy belated birthday to you, okay? All right, boys and girls, tomorrow we're going to have a spirit day. Hey, we'll wear our red and black, our Tecumseh school colors. Hey, if you have a Tecumseh or Donaldsville shirt that you'd like to wear, that would be great. Otherwise, just wear red and black for a Tecumseh Arrow Spirit Day. All right, teachers, just another reminder that we do have the gentleman from Star Robbins here. Everyone should have signed up for a time, but again, if you're declining, it only takes a minute. So feel free to stop by another time if it's more convenient, and he will more than likely be available at that time. Also a reminder that if you're interested in helping support the Tecumseh levy that will be on the ballot, that meeting is this evening at 7 o'clock in the cafeteria at Tecumseh Middle School. All right, Lydia, what's for lunch today?
Walking tacos.
All right, turn that around so everybody knows what a walking taco looks like. All right, that sounds good. Boys and girls, while we're talking about lunch, just a reminder, you need to take what you order. So if you're looking at that now and thinking, oh, walking taco, that looks pretty good, make sure that's what you've ordered. Don't order peanut butter and jelly if you're going to decide you want that walking taco. You have to decide now because they're only going to make so many walking tacos. If you order peanut butter, you have to take peanut butter. All right, Miss Ella, what is our weather going to be like today?
Sunny.
I think there's actually going to be quite a few clouds out there, don't you? Turn that around. All right, yeah. There's going to be some sun, but there's going to be a lot of clouds too, aren't there, Ella? Yep. All right. Well, thank you for joining us on another edition of the Donaldsville News. Have a great day. Remember, we're all here to
Learn.